Hi guys, welcome to Destinations Delight, and as you can see, I am in a gorgeous spot this weekend. We are all out doing our thing. Check out that nightlife behind me. That is a sailor's delight. Weather has been perfect. Beautiful lake. Guys, I'm going to give you another sneak peek tomorrow of this beautiful place that I am at. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, it is the next morning. Thank you for joining me. Let's kick this off with a little grilling on the open fire. What you see here is our pork sausage cooking for our breakfast this morning. I got my mother-in-law gonna be flipping me some pancakes. We are gonna get our grub on. Well guys, I will be here to show you what Memorial Day is all about in a very full and unique camping experience, and I hope you guys all enjoy. We will see you in a few. Okay guys, we are just checking back in with you. Check out that sizzle on that grill. Oh yeah. Smell the smell. We're going to scope out the pancakes in just a few.
Teddy, how we do it. You may get there's six there, 12. You may get a couple more out of that. And that's it. I am done. That was so good. Here.
Well guys, that was our morning and somewhat night ritual that we did every night while we were at the campground. I hope you all enjoy, and we have one more video coming out from the campground and that will be all over with. But until next time guys, you all know what to do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and you want to see much more. And until next time guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Au revoir. Auf Wiedersehen.